Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question, and I have a much requested topic today. Today's topic: the Do Not Call Registry. This is one that I get all the time. I get requests for this one and Can Spam Act a ton. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. So, the question reads as follows, and it's a long one. The question reads: National Do Not Call Registry provides that A. Consumers with whom a licensee has had a business relationship can be contacted for up to 12 months after the termination of that relationship. B. Licensees may not contact previous customers who are on the registry. C. Licensees may never contact consumers without written authorization. And D. Consumers who have made an inquiry to a licensee may be contacted up to 3 months later. So, I'm going to tell you the answer to this one, and I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on answering some of these longer questions. When it comes to the National Do Not Call Registries, okay, the answer is, in regards to this set of answers, consumers who have made an inquiry to a licensee may be contacted up to 3 months later. D is the correct answer. So, in regards to this, that is one of the tropes of the National Do Not Call Registry. And also, what I will tell you is this: all of the other answers are incorrect. So you have licensees may never contact consumers without written authorization. No, that's not the case, because as you can see, consumers who have made an inquiry to a licensee may be contacted up to 3 months later. Also, licensees may not contact previous customers who are on the registry. Not true. Okay. So then the next one is consumers with whom a licensee had a business relationship can be contacted for up to 12 months after the termination of the relationship. Again, not a true statement. The only one here that is true is that consumers who have made an inquiry to a licensee may be contacted up to 3 months later. D. So, guys, I hope you like this question. I hope you learned something here. And what I want to tell you is this: make sure you're thoroughly reading the answers, and that after you read a lot of long answers, you go back to the question and you reread the question, because that can help you sometimes decipher what it is that you're actually looking for. Make sure that you're not missing over certain questions, certain wording like except, all but, never. That is the situation there. So make sure you're doing that. And again, guys, if you do like what we are doing here, please hit that like button, hit subscribe, because that really does help us out. And I'm going to see you real soon.